please come in.
Sir, so many patients are waiting for you, sir.
How many times I can tell to you, medical is an art. You must require some time to see the patients, right?
Sorry, sir. But
Okay.
patients are waiting, sir.
What? I am having some work. I must look after my work, no?
Okay, sir.
Wait for some time.
Okay, sir.
What's this? I doesn't understand. Okay, call our patients.
Yes, sir. Token number 1. Oh, doctor. Excuse me, doctor. Yes, sir. Thank you, doctor.
Hello, ma'am. Tell me what is happened.
Doctor, I think I have a rare disease of stomach ache and my left toe feels weird.
Oh, it's looking so serious. I think you might have chicken pox, right?
No, doctor, it is not symptoms of chicken pox. Doctor, that makes no sense.
Okay. Actually, I am recommending her a full body checkup and a brain scan.
Okay. Hey doctor, what are you saying? It's a stomach ache. Then why are you taking my brain scan? You stupid. Next patient, doctor.
Yeah, call the next patient.
Token number 2. Mummy, I don't want to come, mummy. Just leave, mummy. Baby, you have to come, Chinna. Please come. No, mummy, I don't want to come there. You want to come? Come. Excuse me, doctor.
Yeah, please come in. Have your seat here.
Thank you, doctor.
Tell me what's happened.
Doctor, she is my daughter and she fell down while running. Please do something, doctor.
Okay. Where did you fall, dear?
On the floor, doctor.
On the floor. I think you have been fall from ceiling.
What the hell are you talking, doctor? She is my one and only daughter. Please save her. You can take my entire property. Plus, please do something, doctor.
Okay. Okay, now where did you have gone last night?
I don't know, father.
Okay, come aside. I can check your wound. It is not a big wound. It doesn't require any medicines right now.
But doctor, please give some medicine, doctor.
She doesn't require any medicines right now.
Doctor, please.
Okay, I can give you medicines.
Doctor, don't give injection for me.
Okay, take this medical sheet and go to medical shop. They can give you medicines.
Thank you, doctor.
Have a nice day.
Doctor, there is an emergency case, doctor.
Emergency case? Why don't you tell me in the beginning?
Sorry, doctor.
What sorry? Patients are more important than our job, right?
Yes, doctor.
Where is the patient?
He is in the casualty.
Casualty. Okay, come on.
Deepu, bring the medicines fast.
What is happened to her?
Well, at least I saved
What's
one
happening?
tablet. If it is chewing up, I can eat, enjoy it. But it's a medicine. I have it, might got any problem? Okay, let's anyway move to the doctor.
Oh shit, man, he's died. Okay, hold this. Where is the nurse?
I think she's coming, doctor.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please tell me where is the medicines I prescribed you?
They all fell down, sir.
Fell down? How careless are you? Why did you fall that all medicines down?
Sorry, sir.
What sorry? How many medicines are remaining there?
Only one medicine I had left.
Only one medicine. What can I do with that one medicine? Is there any patients who require that medicine?
Yes, sir.
Give it them.
Okay, sir, I will give it.
Go.
So next patient.
Yeah, call the next patient.
Yes, sir. Token number 4.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yeah, have your seat, young man. Tell me what is happened.
I came here for a simple checkup. Then why I am being sent for a pregnancy test?
Pregnancy test?
Yes.
I doesn't recommend you a pregnancy
Then hold
test.
it.
Okay. Give me some time. I can check that reports.
Go on.
This is the reports related to couples. Right?
Yes, that.
How does it take this?
What's all this rubbish?
Wait, man. I can check these reports. Where is these reports?
I think on your table, sir. It's,
Hold this.
yes.
It's my pen there. Yeah, you are all right, man. You doesn't require any medicines right now.
Next time I will never come to the hospital again. Go to hell.
Sir,
Him, what's happened to me? Call
sir,
him.
sorry.
Call him.
Sir. Next patient, sir.
Yeah, call the next patient.
Yes, sir. Token number 6.
What this unpleasant day, man.
Hello viewers, welcome back to our video. Today we are in a hospital. Let's go and meet the doctor first. Hello doctor.
Hello, have your seat, please.
Thank you doctor.
Tell me what is happened.
Doctor, my name is Ria. I am the queen of social media. Today I came here for a regular checkup doctor. But let's take a selfie first.
Selfie? I don't want any selfie. I don't want any selfie.
Doctor, you are so handsome. I can get
No,
so
no,
many
no.
likes.
I doesn't want any selfie right now. No.
Ma'am,
I doesn't recommend any selfie.
Ma'am, please have one selfie, doctor.
No.
Ma'am, please have